First of all, just cracking them. My friend Kenji Lopez Alt says, no vodka. Scrambled eggs, big topic. What are mistakes people make? First of all, just cracking them. I do, right on the surface, in the middle, and then just break in half. I don't crack them on the edge of the bowl. Sometimes shells fall in. I like to break them and keep my eye on the shell, so none's in the bowl. Okay, 3 eggs, classic. Now what do we add here? Let's give a little whisk. A lot of debate about whether you can salt and pepper your eggs now or whether it's better to salt and pepper them after they're cooked. Bottom line, my friend Kenji Lopez Alt says there is little to no difference if you salt eggs and pepper them in the beginning. And so that's what I like to do. I like to build in that seasoning. But what else can we add besides salt and pepper? Should we add anything like my buddy milk or my buddy cream? Truth is, those will make your eggs creamier, which is cool, but it makes them heavier. I want my eggs to be lighter, so I just add a splash of water. That actually makes your scrambled eggs fluffier and lighter. Just a splash. I know it's kind of surprising. Salt in there. Pepper. So, 3 eggs. Whisk to break them up. Splash of cool water. Salt, kosher salt I used. No cream, no milk, no OJ, no vodka. Now once you're cooking the eggs, you want to stir them. I like to use a whisk or I use a rubber spatula while I'm cooking them. They can sit in the pan for a minute, it's nice, and then you want to start to gently break them up. Don't overcook them in the pan. They keep cooking. Take them off like 15 seconds before you want to eat them. Also, I put a little pinch of salt sometimes at the end if I think they need it, or I crack some pepper on top when I take them out of the pan. Be ready with your vessel when you cook them on the stove. That's to say, your serving dish, whatever you're serving the eggs on, get that right next to you on the stove so you can go pan, plate, and it stops them from cooking. If you leave the eggs in the pan, they just keep going and going and going, and before you know it, you're eating like a foam mattress because your eggs are so overcooked. Nice and fluffy. Eggs, salt, pepper, splash of water, a good attitude, a landing pad before you start cooking, and let's do this. Be generous with your seasoning. I know you can't taste the raw egg mix, but as I'm scrambling them at the end, I taste a tiny cooked piece just to know where I'm at, a tiny bite. And then if you need it, add a little bit more salt and pepper. Seasoning your eggs is a great way to just get those even better than usual eggs. A lot of talk online, a lot of talk in general, a lot of question about whether to take eggs straight from the fridge or scramble room temperature eggs. You know what? I don't care what the right answer is. I am not letting my eggs sit out and get warm and then cooking them. So I take them right out of the fridge, whisk them, scramble them. I've got a lot of happy customers. Now look, you can add cheese, you can add all sorts of stuff at the end, but just a simple scrambled egg, done well, nothing better. Now we cook. All right, scrambled eggs. Hot pan, couple eggs. Now, country scramble just means the eggs aren't fully mixed together. So you get that kind of egg white, egg yolk vibe. And fully mixed is scrambled. They use all sorts of fancy terms. To lighten my eggs and make them fluffy, drop of water. A lot of people put cream, they put butter, they put milk, their grandmother put buttermilk. I put water. Pinch of salt, pepper. Season your eggs. People say, oh, it's not good to season before. Salt, pepper, touch of water, just like my mom made when I was growing up. Hot pan, but not too hot, right? Little pat of butter. Now look, this pan's hot, but it's not crazy. You just want to coat the bottom. You can scramble your eggs with a little nonstick spray. I just like the taste of a little bit of butter, and I use a rubber spatula to be nice and gentle. Now we just melt the butter. This is a heat-proof rubber spatula. You see I got a stainless pan. Salt, pepper, little water, right in there. Now I just wait a second. I know scramble, you think, well, we're scrambling, but we're not. Spread it out in the pan, right? Another pinch of salt. And now I just pull it. See that? Pull it again. Now, you can like the big curd, so to speak, or the smaller curd. Hey, and look at this. How long's it been? 1 minute and we're done. Look at that. Smells like butter, smells like eggs. I need a plate, hold on. You don't want to cook them, look, I took it off the heat. Look at that. Right out of there. So this morning, my daughter Ava cooked me eggs and she demonstrated how to really scramble. Eggs, salt, pepper, splash of water, nice and fluffy.